Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to make nail extension using tissue paper and cornstarch. So first I'm going to cut the tissue paper and then shape it like a nail. Make sure that the tissue is the right size for your nails. And then apply nail glue on the tissue paper, stick it together, and then set it aside. And then next is buff the nail before applying nail glue. And then apply nail glue on the nail. Make sure not to put too much nail glue. And then stick the tissue on the nail. And then hold it there until the tissue sticks to the nail. Then apply nail glue on the tissue. And then cut the tissue to your desired length and shape. Once the tissue is dry and hard, apply another layer of nail glue and then apply flour, or you can also use cornstarch. Brush off the excess flour and then apply another layer of nail glue. Add another layer of flour. This is to ensure that you will have a stronger nail extension. Brush off the excess flour and then apply another layer of nail glue. and then let it dry for 3 to 5 minutes. And then file. So I will be using my Melody Susie Sparkle Plus rechargeable nail drill. So anyway guys, Melody Susie is having a sale right now up to 50% off from November 22 to December 1st. So I'm gonna leave the link below in my description box so you guys can check it out. And here is the result. And now I'm gonna apply nail polish. And that's it everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up,
subscribe,
and thank you for watching.